Welcome to our channel. Par 3s present unique challenges and scoring opportunities. These strategies help you capitalize on these crucial holes. Step 1. Select the proper club based on total distance, not just carry. Factor in whether the green is firm or soft, uphill or downhill, and how much room exists behind the pin. Step 2. Aim for the center of the green regardless of pin position. Many par 3 greens have trouble around edges. The fat of the green offers safe angles and reasonable putting distances. Step 3. Consider taking extra club and swinging easier. Tension and adrenaline affect par 3 swings. Extra club allows smooth, controlled swings that maintain accuracy. Step 4. Factor wind carefully on par 3s. Wind affects longer shots more dramatically than shorter approaches. Adjust club selection and aim based on wind direction and strength. Step 5. Trust your club selection and commit fully. Second guessing leads to tentative swings and poor contact. Once you've chosen your club, swing confidently. Step 6. Accept that not every par 3 offers birdie opportunity. On difficult holes, par represents success. Smart course management prevents big numbers. Step 7. Develop a consistent tee height. Many golfers tee too high on par 3s with irons, promoting thin contact. Tee the ball just above the grass. Step 8. Practice from distances matching your course's par 3s. If you have several holes around 150 yards, dedicate practice to that distance. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.